Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's class, and in today's class I will be guiding you on how to create and execute a basic pipeline. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our Azure DevOps page. So going to the Azure DevOps page, I've created an organization that I will use. Then I need to create a new project. So I'll call my new project toy website. Then I can say toy, let me put the description as toy company website. Then I can leave it as private because I just want the people in my organization to be able to access it. So, and after this, I can just go to the repro and clone in Visual Studio. So I've created a folder that I want to use for this lab. So here, say open. So let me call this deploy, and let me create a file. Let me see Azure pipelines.ym. So there is a command that I will put here. Say trigger VM image. So okay, that's a script. So okay, file. I've saved that. Then I can now come to my terminal where I need to add ticket add slash let me see Azure pipelines. Then we can see git commits. Add initial pipeline definition. So why then I can say git push. Alright, so after that I can go back to my Azure Port DevOps page. So let's say pipeline, create a pipeline, come to repo. So I can just click existing pipeline YAML. Then here I can select this, which is my path, then continue. So from here, I would run this my pipeline. So the status is on queue first. So I'll just wait for this to build to be successful. So that's good. So I just want to verify that the pipeline is successfully. Then I can go and I want to link. So let me just check this. Okay, so I must please step. Okay. So I want to now link the pipeline execution to a commit. So how do I do that? I go back to my repro where I have commit. Then you can see it is also commit and it's succeeded. So that is all on how to create a basic and execute a pipeline. I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey. Thank you.